Welcome back to the Hillbilly RV channel. Today, working on Coleman air conditioner. This gentleman bought this camper May 8th of 2021. About this time last year, we replaced this rear air conditioner because it got low on Freon. Well, I think last week, the camper was parked out there at his house. I think they were out on the porch or something. All of a sudden he heard this and a big leak. Went out and looked, and Freon is spraying outside the air conditioner. So this is 2 air conditioners on this thing since he bought it May 8th of 2021. So a lot of these manufacturers are starting to go to a 1-year warranty. I don't know about Coleman yet. I've got to run a performance test on this, which I'm going to take y'all along for. Then I'll have to call Coleman and see whether this had a 1 or 2-year warranty. Now, when we replaced this last year, the warranty didn't start over. His warranty is from May 8th, 2021. So he has, he had till, oh wow, this is May, oh yeah. So he has until, if it has a 2-year warranty, he has until May 2023 to be under warranty. If it has 1 year, he's out. So yeah, a lot of people have that misconception. They think if they get something replaced under warranty, their warranty starts all over. That's not the case. The warranty is from your original purchase date. So I've got my generator running, and we're going to start doing a performance test on this. I don't see a display on the microwave. So does that mean my generator's not putting out? Oh, maybe. Let's go check the generator. I might have kicked the breaker on the generator.
Really?
Yeah. No display on the microwave.
I got it turned off for you.
Oh, well, that's what I was looking at. Okay, I'm sorry.
Okay. Yeah, I got everything off other than the AC right there to
Okay.
help you out on your generator.
Okay.
I'm sorry, I probably should have told you that.
No, you go ahead. Okay, the customer had cut all of his breakers off except for the air conditioner, which he didn't really need to do. Because that generator, it's a pretty good sized generator. So let's turn the air conditioner on now. Of course, I got to turn this air conditioner on, so it's going to get a little bit noisy in here. Now that might have kicked my breaker on my generator. So it started to run. I'll turn the breaker back on for the microwave so that I can monitor, make sure we're getting AC power in the coach. Micro.
Still nothing?
No, is the microwave one marked correctly?
Yeah, it was.
Alright, I'm hooked into my 30 amp outlet on my generator now. Let's see what's going on here. I think there's the compressor might already be locked up on this thing. Tell you what, I'm going to go ahead and expose wiring up here. Go ahead and put my amp clamp on. See if I can see how much amperage this thing is trying to pull. Apparently it's more than 29 amps, which is what my generator actually says. It's a 30 amp receptacle, but it's on a 29 amp breaker, or whatever that means. Just trying to expose the purple wire up here. That's what runs the compressor. This is the purple wire. Put my amp clamp on that. We'll turn her back on and see if we can get a reading before it kicks the breaker on my generator. Might have to drop that plastic sealing kit down. Be able to get my hand up in there. Okay, on this one it's blue wire, but yeah, that's the compressor. Oh, no, I'm sorry, it's purple. Alright, let's see. Let's try and turn this thing on and see what kind of amperage we're pulling here. Alright, here we go. Golly, 25 amps. Yep, that ain't gonna work. Yep, that ain't gonna work. That compressor's completely locked up. Alright, it's time to get some numbers off this air conditioner and give Coleman a call. Numbers are up in there. I'm gonna reach up in there with my phone and get pictures. That data tag up there, and we'll go from there. Typically that compressor would probably draw all day like today, probably, you know, roughly 12 amps. Yeah, I didn't get to it in time. I didn't cut that air conditioner off soon enough. It killed my generator again. Well, I'm still having trouble with my audio. I don't understand what's going on. It just cuts out. So I lost the whole second half of this video. I'm on the phone trying to get a hold of Coleman to find out whether this thing is still under warranty. Because I just don't know. Some camper manufacturers require that the appliance manufacturers give them a 2-year warranty, some don't. So I don't know Coleman's policy, so I'm still trying to get a hold of them. And I was on hold with them for almost a half hour yesterday, and finally just left a message. And you know how that goes. I'm gonna try them back again tomorrow morning, first thing when they first open. See if I can get a hold of them and see if this thing's under warranty or not. And you may ask yourself, well, you didn't check the start capacitor. Well, I trust this customer. He tells me he saw the Freon spraying out of it. He's seen the gas. He's seen the oil on the roof. I believe the guy, so there's really no point in checking start capacitors. You know, it ran long enough without oil in it, I guess, to lock the compressor up. And you know, that's what I found on this day, that the compressor's locked up. Air conditioner's bad, needs replaced. Whether Coleman covers it under warranty or the customer has to pay for it, he said, you know, I gotta have my air conditioner. So that's what we're going to pursue. And you know, all I gotta do is wait till I can get a hold of Coleman and find out. Well, that's going to be it for this video. I was really hoping we'd get to do a performance test on this, but with that compressor being locked up, you know, it just ain't gonna happen, because it's just gonna kick a breaker. If you let it run apparently more than just a few seconds, it killed my generator. And even if we were plugged into, you know, shore cord, it's still gonna kick a breaker somewhere, because they just won't carry that much current. So as always, I really appreciate you watching my videos. I hope you get some value out of them, and I'm gonna go up the road and I'm gonna fix another one, and just pretend like I'm pointing at you right now. And y'all have a fantastic day.